Today, ang ating recipe is Oreo cheesecake. So all we need with the cheesecake is we have a 45 pieces of Oreo, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then half cup of sugar, and then 1/4 cup of melted butter, and then we have a 8-ounce whipping cream, and then soft cheese. We need 600 gram of cheesecake, so the 3-pack. So first tip is we have the 20 Oreos here. We need to, I'm going to blend this because I can't smash it properly, so I'm going to blend it. That's it, because I don't know it. Okay, that's there. That's there now. So we pour this in. That's counted.
Yeah.
It's alright. You can. No, it's alright. There's a pack here. That's counted. Yeah. Here.
So I didn't buy you into it. My hands are clean.
It doesn't matter. It's just because it's counted. You know. Open that baby. Add one on first. Okay. Now you can have the cup of tea. Okay. Now we're gonna add the. Finish that. Gonna add the butter into this. Okay. And then we stir it until it firm, and then we're gonna put this in the fridge for a couple of hours, maybe 1 hour, until it's a bit hard before we putting the rest ingredients. Okay, so we have this done. We're gonna let it chill in the fridge until it firm the bottom bit. Yeah. So we put in the fridge maybe 1 hour. So the next step, we need to crush 16 pieces of Oreo. So,
you see how it stays at what we call 3 o'clock? That's what you want to see.
and then we blend this for make it
Or 6. You know, this is
fine.
still
Yeah.
So when you told me
So I have done those, if you can see.
When the unexpected happens, life can still go on uninterrupted with a replacement
So I have the container here.
for however long it costs.
Combine the corn cheese again. I think I'm gonna use a spoon. So we're gonna add the half cup of sugar. Okay. And then vanilla extract, the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we just mix this first. So we start to put in our whipping cream. Okay. Put our whipping cream. So this is the 8 ounce of whipping cream I add into the soft cheese. just mix it again.
Well, I've got to buy the two. So, there's 10,000 on the table. 50, 150, 2, 250,
Just mix until combined.
350.
So I have well done this, and see this remaining Oreo, the 10 pieces, I will just chop it,
Entrance must be 18 lines closed Monday, 25th of January at 10 a.m.
It's a very attractive deal. If it doesn't sell for a lower ration of 12, you're still getting watched, but if it does
So
get
I
12,
think that is it.
you don't pay any commission. But if it goes over the 12,
So I'm going to
they'll
pour
want 8% off you.
the crush
Make your
in here.
calculation. You'll more than me. Okay. We're going to roll the dice here.
And
It's a
then
big deal. He's put £11,000.
we add
No quibbles.
to this
Make it mine. You've got the money there, or you
all
can
those,
go to the auction.
and then we just mix it.
It is a flick of a coin.
Can you just go a bit more?
Mix with the fresh cream and cheese.
I love that watch. But that's my bone of contention. You gotta hang around, so you might possibly slide up in that. It's so hard.
So that is look
I'm
like
not going
now.
into
It's look like
territory
ice cream.
where it's a gamble for me. For once in my life, I feel a bit sorry for our dealers.
It's nice. So I'm going to get the one we preserved in the fridge.
On the way home, what's there is a tempting offer in my opinion. On the table, there's £11,100.
That's there now. So it's hard.
Or
Yeah, that's
you
good.
can go to the auction.
And then we just pour this over.
No, I think you've been very fair. I think I will take it.
I can taste it, so nice.
Well, that was epic, wasn't it? You must be pleased, Sandra. I feel happy because we have the money and I can take my family on a...
Well, the truth is, COVID-19 slows down. Fundraising is falling, and right now, future research is at risk. The list is flights, so you will please don't stay. 19 people get cancer in life, which is absolutely necessary.
What is the full number of British households in country capital, please?
So that's the finish. We can put in the fridge for 5 hours. So later gonna be ready. Our cheesecake.